Good morning, everyone. So, welcome back again, another Sunday, and we are heading to Suri Chowk this time. And I'm already late. Actually, I tried to keep at least 15 minutes. So, because the riders always turn up late, but this time I'm too late. So, it's 9:15, and I'm heading to Suri Chowk, and the plan is to go to Rishikesh this time. Vinay bhai is already waiting. I don't know who else is there. And as you can see, this road is really in a bad condition. So, two riders here, Vinay bhai and another new rider, Sudhanshu, joining in. And we're gonna meet Ashish Negi ji ahead, and there is farmhouse. So we are riding now. Range is 160, so I need to fuel up. We are still not decided which cafe are we going to, because the one we decided that hotel is not picking up the phone. It's a glass house by the Ganges. So let's see how things turn up. So we had stopped for Ashish ji at his house, but due to some circumstances his Z900 just shut down, and maybe there's some fuse problem, I don't know. So it's not starting up and he needs to turn back early. So he's not joining us, so we are just three this time. Vinay bhai, me and another new rider. So we have a beautiful sunshine again, beautiful mountains. Air seems pretty clear, and yeah, so it's okay if the riders haven't turned up. I guess even riding solo is fun, so we are still three. So we are on the Thano road right now. It's pretty dark here because the sun hasn't come up to this side. There you can still see the sunshine. Pretty cold outside, I guess. Let me see. 14 seems pretty cold, but it's just 14. I mean, I was thinking it must be 10. So these people have left, and we'll stop directly at Rishikesh now. So I'm running at a low power right now because just three riders is not needed. Wow, this guy is going, man. Delhi number. Just have a look at the Himalayas. The weather is so clear today. I mean, the air quality, normally sometimes it's not visible because of the pollution. Today it is. So we have entered the 7 turns. A lot of monkeys along the road, so it's better to go slow. I still remember when there was a lockdown out here. Oh my god, it used to be serene. I mean, I still remember I used to come to the hospital and early morning, and even while going back, I mean, there used to be only cops on the road, that too at entry of Rishikesh or Dehradun, and there used to be no one on this road, just greenery. Animals used to turn up, like sometimes you could see peacocks, and I still remember there was an elephant that came outside the AIIMS hospital. So that was the time, really. I mean, I would really say people might be thinking the lockdown was a curse or something, the COVID, but that experience of being in a lockdown, some people took it negative, being locked down, because we humans are so much like social. We need to go out, we need to do this, that, we need someone to talk. But the truth is, that was the time to go inwards. And I still remember, even while driving in Rishikesh, it used to be like there was hardly 1 or 2 emergency vehicles on the road, and the experience is that I would say even people must not have experienced that in the last 300-400 years. I mean, yeah, the population was less, but an experience like this, where you just go in hibernation. The human population went into hibernation. So though it was wrong for economy, but it was very good for spiritual growth and even for self growth. And of course the nature healed itself. So welcome to Rishikesh, the Himalayas. Oh my god, I'm in love with the city. Oh, the air feels fresh again, and from Natraj Chowk we'll head left. We'll fuel up at Reliance fuel station. Have a look. For all those friends of mine who are out of India, I mean, have a look. Maybe you miss Rishikesh. So fueling done. Now let us get the tire pressure. So getting the air pressure 36 in the front tire. Done. Let's change the power to medium now. Traction is at 3, camera is working. Have a look. Special car when we have a pollution checkup. This car UK08. I guess the number is strange. AE1. Oh, he has a broken number plate. Imagine the kind of pollution this is creating. Just have a look. That's the raft going on. So Sunday is the season. Saturday and Sunday actually for the raft people. I love the Himalayas here. I mean, it's so close. The mountains. Construction always going on in this area. So that's the left road where I used to study yoga. A small road. I used to take car onto this. It's very narrow, only one lane. But it has a beautiful waterfall up there. So enjoying the ride. This guy in the car is taking a picture. That's Aloha, that's Gange, the 13th floor temple. So maybe we can ride later. First we are heading to Divine Ganga to eat something. And Adil and Paritosh Bhai, they are coming. They will be joining us. They have left Dehradun, I guess. And we're taking a left towards Lakshman Jhula now. So getting into Divine Ganga. Safe parking. So we have reached Divine Ganga Cafe, and right now we are waiting for our order, and we have ordered some coffee and grilled cheese sandwich, and we'll wait for Paritosh and Adil. By that time I'll just show you what all they have. Amazing pastries and cakes. So let me show you the view now. So from this side, if you see the Ganga, let me show you. Let's move to the other side now, and we have the fellow riders there and the Lakshman Jhula. So I'm at Divine Ganga right now, and we had a breakfast. Now we are just gonna head back because there has been some siren going on, and Vinay brother, our brother rider, got a call from somewhere in Tiri that there has been some issues regarding some water level in Ganga, some dam. I don't know what happened, but some security warning, and I could even listen to the siren going on. This siren, when I used to live in Rishikesh, I never heard that. So it's just a precaution measure, and soon we'll be heading. Vinay bhai is on the phone, and we'll see. I see. Do you see that? There is some issue that has happened. So there has been some post going on. Let me show you.
कोई तार टूटा हुआ है जो इस समय इस नदी को क्या बोलते हैं, गंगा जो है तबाही मचा रही है। नीचे जहाँ तक नजर पड़ रही है चमोली गढ़बरियाग श्रीनगर
बद्रीनाथ घाटी में टूटा ग्लेशियर।
सभी मित्रों से अनुरोध है कृपया बच के रहें क्योंकि यहाँ पर भयंकर जो है तपोवन से ऊपर से पूरा नदी फट गई है।
There are no rafts right now. If you can see in the river, you won't see any raft. Normally there are thousands of raft here.
रविवार का दिन था, क्या कितनी संख्या में वहाँ पर मजदूर थे जो कि काम कर रहे थे?
चमोली बहुत एक्सट्रीम है तो. So you can have a look at the news. There is a Chamoli, Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand में बहुत भीषण है. So it says that there is a glacier that broke down. So we are heading back now. I can still listen to the siren. So heading back now. Look, the condition, they are stopping every vehicle except the taxis because of the high security issues. Oh my god, that's the condition that's going on. They are thinking of something, you know, they cannot suspect what will happen as the water comes down here, but they're just taking a precaution. So there is a massive jam out here behind. Everyone has been stopped because they're not letting anyone enter Rishikesh as of now. This is the backside. Again, they have been stopped, everyone out here. Because of this, what's been happening, they're not letting the entry. Well, I hope nothing happens. I hope everyone will remain safe. Not like a condition what happened back in 2013. So I hope Divine will help everyone, and nothing must have happened up there also. I hope so. Well, so I'm gonna say bye for now.